Today we will learn about opposites word. Let's we start. Front, opposite back. Front, opposite back. Balance, opposite fall. Balance, opposite fall. In front of, opposite behind. In front of, opposite behind. Big, opposite small. Big, opposite small. Dirty, opposite clean. Dirty, opposite clean. Open, opposite close. Open, opposite close. Light, opposite dark. Light, opposite dark. Same, opposite different. Same, opposite different. Dry, opposite wet. Dry, opposite wet. Full, opposite empty. Full, opposite empty. Energetic, opposite tired. Energetic, opposite tired. Entrance, opposite exit. Entrance, opposite exit. Fast, opposite slow. Fast, opposite slow. Happy, opposite sad. Happy, opposite sad. Healthy, opposite unhealthy. Healthy, opposite unhealthy. Tall, opposite short. Tall, opposite short. Tall, opposite short. Old, opposite young. Old, opposite young. Push, opposite pull. Push, opposite pull. Stand, opposite sit. Stand, opposite sit.